Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning in one of my classes, one student was talking about the fact that there's a bit of a heat wave where she is. It's been over 30 degrees for days on end now, and it's very humid, very muggy. And as she said, the weather's really starting to do her in. At the same time, later on in class, another student mentioned the fact that one particular song that she'd been talking about always takes her back to a certain time in her life. It always has a very strong emotional impact on her, and every time she hears it, it does her in. As you can tell from these two different contexts, it can be hard to say exactly what doing somebody in means, but basically it means having a huge physical or emotional impact on you. So if you're done in or something does you in, it can mean that it exhausts you. So you might say, oh, I spent 2 hours in the gym earlier this morning. I'm done in, or it did me in. Maybe if you've been travelling a lot for work, you might be chatting to friends. Hey, how are you doing? Oh, I'm okay. I'm ready for a bit of a break, to be honest. I've been travelling a lot recently for work, and it's really starting to do me in. Maybe, if you're a teacher, you'll relate to this sentence, because lots of teachers who work in high schools or universities usually really love their jobs. They love the teaching, they love the students, but the paperwork does them in. There's so much paperwork, it's exhausting, it's draining to deal with, and probably most teachers could quite happily live without it. You can also talk about things like grammar doing you in. So, I'm trying to learn Ukrainian at the moment, very slowly. And to be honest, English grammar is a piece of cake in comparison to Ukrainian grammar. The more I study the grammar, the more it does me in. I just can't get my head round it. And as I said, it can also mean to kind of emotionally impact you. So maybe, like me, there are particular bits of music or particular songs that you listen to, and every time you listen to them, you get goosebumps. They just completely do you in every time. They hit you hard in a very emotional way. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of things that do you in, or times when you might feel done in.